This was actually a very interesting course sort of thing to do, because I actually took 10 days to finish all the material that you gave me and complete all the assignments and the final
Great,
test.
great thing. Okay.
Yeah, and after that, I immediately mailed you guys, and you sent me the problem statement. The problem statement also took me 10 days. I completed the whole thing way earlier than I was supposed to, I think.
Okay.
So it was very convenient. Any doubts, I could easily reach out to you. So that was a very big advantage. And
Okay.
it was a very nice, like, I learned a lot from this.